What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we begin this video, here is a good news for all the Wallverse wallpaper application users out there. We have just pushed out an update which adds the video wallpaper section back again on the application. Many of you guys have been requesting for this feature and now we have got video wallpaper added back on Wallverse application. Currently there are very few wallpapers here, but we will be adding more in this video wallpaper category. And also we have just switched our servers for this application. So those of you who have been facing the login issues and the loading issues here in India, you will not be facing this again. Now the wallpapers will load faster, and for those of you who have not been able to even load any wallpapers on the application, the issue has been fixed. So if at all you have rated this application below 4 star, you can go ahead, update the application, check it out yourself, and if it is working smoothly, be sure to get back to that rating section and rate it 5 star. That would really motivate us to keep working on this wallpaper, guys. So go ahead, rate it 5 star on the Play Store. There are tons of wallpapers. There are 7,000 plus wallpapers available both under free and premium section, and we have got some beautiful categories as well. The collections. You can go ahead and check it out. The link for the app is in the description. Don't forget to rate it 5 star on Play Store. Now let's begin the actual video. We have got a brand new update for the Samsung Notes application, and that adds some cool new features now. Check this out. The latest version is 4.4.41.9 and the update date is 5th June and size is 151.03 MB, and in the changelog it says match style when pasting option to support the previous text pasting style has been added. And the best part here with this changelog is they have also mentioned how exactly we can use this feature. We need to go to the settings, advanced, match style when pasting on or off. This is very nice. Samsung has finally started adding the description to know how these features work. Next feature is group by date option in the note list sorting menu, and then we have got import PDF option, long pressing create note icon to import PDF. Many of you guys have been complaining that this option is not there on your notes app. Now this has been added. We also have a new option, import PDF, in the top right menu. These are the 3 brand new features which have been added. Let's go ahead and check out all of them. First, let me update the application. It's installed. The first feature is under advanced section, match style when pasting. Let's open the Notes app. Let's go to the hamburger menu and tap on settings option here. And here we have got advanced. Let's tap on this. Let's see where is this feature. Let's scroll down. Yep, here we go. We have got match style when pasting. This feature is currently not available even on One UI 9. I have not got the update for the Notes application on One UI 9 yet on the S26 series. But on this phone, on the S25 series, I did get this update, match style when pasting. What this does is pasted text will match the style of the text around where you pasted it. Let's enable this feature. Now let's open a note here, and you can see this text is in italic or italic and it's in bold. Now when I copy this and I paste this on the next line, you will see this will be formatted in the same style. Again, this is in italic and we have got the bold font here. That's how it works. But when I copy text from another, let's say an article, let's say I copy this text from here. Let me copy some text here. Now this is in a different font and style. Now when I paste it, actually it is supposed to come in the same font and style, but that is not happening here. That would have been pretty cool if we copied a text from any other article or somewhere else from some other file and paste it here on the same note. The same style would be implemented, but that is not happening with this update. That's a bummer, but this is how it works. Now let's take a look at the second feature. The second feature says group by date option in the note list sorting menu. Let's open the notes here and tap on 3-dot button, tap on sort. Here is that brand new option, group by date. The toggle is enabled by default. You can disable it if you don't want it. So this is a brand new option. And the third one is import PDF option, long press create note icon. Now if you press and hold on this icon, the new note, import PDF option is right over here. For some of the Notes version, you would have already got this, but if you don't have this option, you will now get it with this latest version of the Notes application. You can just press and hold on this create icon. You will get both the option Note style and import PDF, and they have also added the import PDF option right here on the top right. You can see PDF plus button is there. You can just tap on that to directly import a PDF right from here. So these are the 3 new options or new features which have now been added by Samsung on the Samsung Notes application. Let me know what you think. Have you got this update or not? Drop a comment. And while you do that, be sure to download our Wallverse application. Like I mentioned, We did switch the servers and now the app loading speed is much better. And those of you who have been facing the login issues and the app loading issues, please do check and let me know in the comment section. The link for the application is in the description. And do rate our application 5-star on Play Store if you like the app. That's about it. Hope you have already subscribed to the channel. Hit that like button if you find this video informative. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.